Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to resend marketing emails in Hubspot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once you're on the page, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will give you access to all the marketing tools and email campaigns you've created. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Marketing. This section contains all your marketing assets, including campaigns, ads, and of course your email tools. Once the marketing menu expands, click on Emails. This takes you to the area where all your email campaigns are stored and managed. Now that you're in the email section, look towards the top of the screen and click on Sent. This filter shows you all the marketing emails that have already been sent out to your contacts. It's useful for tracking past campaigns and, in this case, finding the specific email you want to resend to additional recipients. From the list of sent emails, click on the email you want to resend. This opens up the details of that particular campaign, allowing you to view its performance, content, and access options to take further actions with it. Once the email is open, look at the top of the screen and click on Actions. A drop-down menu will appear with several options for managing your email. From this menu, click on Send to More. This feature allows you to resend the same email to additional contacts without having to recreate the entire campaign from scratch, which saves a lot of time and effort. Next, you'll see a drop-down labeled Send To. Click on this drop-down and you'll be presented with a list of contact segments or lists. Check the checkbox next to the recipients you want to send the email to. This ensures that your email reaches the right audience and targets the contacts who haven't received it yet or who you want to include in this round. After that, click on the drop-down labeled Don't Send To. This option is equally important because it helps you exclude certain contacts from receiving the email. Check the checkbox next to the contacts or lists you want to exclude. This is useful if you want to avoid sending duplicate emails to people who've already received it or to contacts who shouldn't be part of this campaign. Once you've configured both your send to and don't send to settings, review everything one more time to make sure your audience targeting is correct. Then, click the send button at the bottom of the screen. HubSpot will now process your request and resend the marketing email to the selected recipients while excluding the ones you specified. And that's it. You've successfully resent a marketing email in HubSpot to a new set of contacts. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.